I guess Saraswati was your PhD. I mean, it was your PhD problem.
Yes, Saraswati supercluster. It is one of my PhD thesis chapter.
So you
So
got a award from Astronomical Society of India for that discovery
yes,
also, best discovery.
yes, our team actually, our team.
Yeah,
So
you and
Saraswati
your team.
project.
Can you
Yes.
describe, sir,
And
the
So
whole process, how you discover the supercluster?
for a layman, what is a supercluster and why it is so important and why we named as a Saraswati only.
Any particular
okay.
significance about this name?
Actually, the credit goes to Joydeep Bagchi, Professor Joydeep Bagchi at
Mm-hmm.
IUCAA. So he's the team
Leader.
leader of
Mm-hmm.
this research project, right?
Mm-hmm.
So along with him,
Mm-hmm.
our team
Mm-hmm.
got the award.
Award.
So he's the main leader. So what happened when I came back to Pune?
Mm-hmm.
When I spent 1 year at home, so I
Yes.
came back to Pune. So like I was doing jobs at two places, ISER and that e-tutoring way. And I also joined Professor Bakshi for a research project.
Mm-hmm.
And then he showed me, okay, in around 2002 or so, in
Mm-hmm.
this catalog
Mm-hmm.
of galaxies, I found that there is something there. Some big
Okay.
structure is there. So
Mm-hmm.
he had that intuition
Oh,
in 2002, right? He had
Oh.
that intuition because he could correlate, okay, uh, here is a cluster of galaxy whose shape is something like this and its other properties are like this. It was an elongated structure. So
Mm-hmm.
he thought that, okay, there should be other massive objects around it that has stretched
oh,
this
Oh, okay.
object. So then he did some analysis, and at that time there was not much data, galaxy data
Mm-hmm.
in that region of the sky. So I went to him for a project, and he said that I think there is something in this region, and I have done this preliminary analysis, and something is there. You can start doing the work and see whether there is some kind of structure or some overdensity is there or not. I'll tell you what
yeah,
an
definitely.
overdensity and everything is. Okay, so what is a supercluster?
Hmm.
First of all,
Yeah.
Yes.
like uh, our Earth is uh, like bounded by sun's gravitational force, right? It
Hmm.
is making orbiting the sun, right?
Yes.
So we call this solar system, sun and 9 planets bound by gravity. We call it a
Mm-hmm.
system. Okay, we can
Okay.
call it a structure also. System
Okay.
or structure, which has
Hmm.
some particular size. Now, our star is moving in the Milky Way galaxy, and all the
Yes.
stars are bound by gravity.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so there is on larger scale, we have this Milky Way galaxy. Likewise,
Mm-hmm.
there are many galaxies.
Hmm.
Yes.
So when stars come close together, or when they are close enough, they form a galaxy, a structure. Then, if many galaxies come close together and are gravitationally bound, that means they cannot escape some particular region, and there are so many galaxies within a region, that is called a cluster of galaxies.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and its size is bigger
Then
than
a
the
galaxy.
size of galaxy.
Hmm.
Now imagine many clusters are coming together, many
Oh.
clusters of galaxies. Their central region is bound. We don't know whether the whole structure is bound or not. Uh, recent studies actually shows that it is bound. Okay, so yeah, now many clusters have come close together and they make a very large structure. By structure means collection of these
Cluster.
clusters.
Okay.
These So now clustering of clusters has happened, and we call this clustering of clusters a supercluster,
Okay.
Okay.
containing many galaxy clusters containing many galaxies. So Saraswati
So,
supercluster. Yeah.
what is the typical size of this? I mean, can you compare with someone? I mean, because it's very difficult to understand if you'll say in parsec or in light years, but will you like to compare with something?
I would say, okay, the size of Saraswati supercluster from the length of Saraswati supercluster, it is 650 million light years.
Oh.
What do I mean by that? If a
Okay.
light ray starts from one end of the cluster and it starts traveling towards the other end, it will take light 650 million years to cover this distance.
Oh.
That's huge.
It's a huge cluster. So forget about megaparsec and 650 million light years to travel across this structure. So it is that big.
How did you
And
define
its
those?
mass is uh, uh, equivalent to I have written it down because I am familiar with, okay, 10 power this and sun and everything. So 20 million billion suns. If you
Oh.
combine
Okay.
20 million billion suns together and measure the mass of this supercluster is equivalent to that. That means approximately if you put 16 zeros after one, that many suns
Oh.
together.
So,
Sir, what kind of
and
instrument you use for
why?
finding this supercluster?
We used the public data of Sloan Digital Sky Survey. So Sloan Telescope is in New Mexico, USA. It is
Okay.
taking observations starting from around year 2000, making imaging data and spectroscopic data, going deeper and deeper into space with every year and with different phases of its observation. So they collect that data, store it, refine it, and store it. And I use that data, which is publicly available. Anyone can access that data. So I use that data for my for discovering Saraswati supercluster.
Oh.
So these supercluster, why they are so important? I have read somewhere they are so important to, I mean, to explain the evolution of universe.
So the universe, when it started, or say when its age was around 380,000 years. So we know cosmic microwave background radiation, we can study that. So we found that when in its early age, universe was highly homogeneous,
Oh.
uniform and homogeneous. It was highly homogeneous, but there were very tiny perturbations or fluctuations in densities.
Okay.
Density of which were of the order of 10 to the power minus 5, means one part
Very
in
small.
every 100,000. So those tiny fluctuations, because of gravity, wherever there was some extra mass there, so other masses due to gravity start to go towards that the heavier mass or extra mass, and they keep on building. Matter started accreting, and wherever there was low density, matter was going away from these regions. So that is
Okay.
how
Okay.
these galaxies, stars, and every object in the universe were made because of these tiny perturbations or
Mm-hmm.
fluctuations.
Mm-hmm.
So they form stars, stars form galaxies, galaxies form clusters, and how superclusters are formed, we don't know yet. How these massive big structures, it is still, the research is still ongoing, and there are few opinions that say, okay, these are fluctuations in the matter density field, and we will see few superclusters in the universe. Okay, according to uh, the accepted theory of lambda CDM, that means dark energy and cold dark matter
Matter.
model of the universe. But as we are observing universe more and more, we are going deeper and deeper. We are finding that superclusters, we are finding superclusters, right? Their number is still low. But if in future we find many superclusters, many means some appreciable
Number.
amount,
Mm-hmm.
number, then we'll have to see whether our accepted current model of universe, lambda CDM, uh, we need some modifications in that or not? Or is there any other way we can explain the existence of these superclusters in this? So their
Okay.
properties, how they are formed, these questions,
Mm-hmm.
these are, I think, very crucial for our understanding of our entire universe. How the evolution of universe uh, is uh, taking place, whether our picture or model is correct of
Mm-hmm.
about this evolution of the universe.
Yeah.
So I think superclusters will definitely perform a crucial role in answering this question.
Okay.
If we could find if
Sufficient number of
we can
supercluster.
find many superclusters in our universe.
Okay.
Okay. And why you named Saraswati?
Okay, so River Saraswati,
Mm-hmm.
which used to flow through India at that time, India and Pakistan, I think around that region. Uh, I don't remember the exact location. Maybe
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
wrong,
Mm-hmm.
but uh, Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, you
Okay.
Yes.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Saraswati,
Three.
it is not there anymore.
Yes.
So it's a river, right? So Akash
Mm-hmm.
Ganga or Milky Way.
Hmm.
Ganga is a
Yes.
river. So river of stars.
Okay.
Okay.
River of stars.
Oh, that's a
Akash Ganga, right?
Acha. Huh.
So
Okay.
Saraswati is also a river, but river of galaxies or many, many, many galaxies.
that's a
So
wonderful
Nice.
idea.
Interesting.
yeah,
Yeah.
so that's how we gave this
Name.
name.
So, what was your first reaction after knowing that you discovered something which is completely new to the world? What was your first reaction that time?
Okay,
I mean, did
it
you
was
did party or something like, oh my God, ये क्या निकाला हमने सरस्वती, my God. What was your reaction?
okay. We knew, like I was doing it for few years, this
Mm-hmm.
research. So we knew
Okay,
there
something
is
is already
something.
okay.
We
Huh.
already knew. Okay,
Oh,
it was about
interesting.
getting it published, right? So we sent our paper to Astrophysical Journal. Then referee report came. He asked some questions, and we answered those questions. And then he said, "Okay, the research work is fine, except this paper." Then what happened? We made a press release about that,
Oh,
and then what happened? Uh, we were not expecting that it will go like it was kind of in 2017 when the news came out. It went viral, kind of viral. I don't know whether to use word viral or not. Everybody,
It's talking about.
most of the people were talking about that and congratulating us, and these reporters were calling, and so I was most of the time after this press release on the phone answering reporters' questions,
Oh.
and so that week, so it was kind of hectic for me, and that week only we wrote a proposal for SALT telescope. We wanted to study some galaxies through spectroscopy. So I was busy in that also.
Oh.
So at that time, I was happy that people are receiving it very well, but I was busy in that. So at that time, I could not fully enjoy. But after that week, I said, okay, we have discovered something, and then from different magazines, we came to know that okay, this particular cosmologist, he has said that okay, it's a great discovery. Likewise, in India and
Can you
elsewhere,
mention some
when the
names?
experts started in India, Jazir Bagla's comment was there, and yeah, because I have to write my thesis, I could not attend one school in Bangalore.
Oh.
So
Judges Bangla from Aisar Mohali.
Aisar Mohali. So this is a different story. So the school was in Bangalore, ICTS, and I could not join or attend that school. But Pratik and my friends who were there, so Professor Bond, so he is 2 times Cosmology's Gruber Prize winner.
Oh.
So he's a very big name. So he's on his talk. Slides were there. Then slide comes, Saraswati supercluster, and my friends were like taking pictures and sending it to me. See.
Wow,
Nice.
I mean that was a very wonderful.
Professor Bond talking about Saraswati. That were only 2 slides, but I was very happy. Okay.
No, it's a really proud moment for all of us. That it's something discovered by
It's like
Indian
some Nobel
historian is
laureate
talking.
will saying your name on some conference.
It's really a proud moment.
So that time I felt satisfied, I would say.